Hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Unboxing Time with the Ramen Rater, the show where I show you what happens when stuff comes to me in the mail and then I open it up. We have a box today from Malaysia. This is a big, I've had bigger boxes, sure, but this thing weighs 22 pounds and on either end it says glass. So this is some pretty burly stuff right here. It's by a company called Way Foods over in Malaysia, and yeah, they do pastes and sauces and instant noodles now. So let's crack it open and have a look. And the box is open. Wow. First thing I'm seeing here is some papers. Let's see what we got here. This looks like a shipping list. Yeah, an invoice of all the stuff that's in here. Wow, there is a lot. Thank you very much. Well, let's dig in. As you can see here, I really ought to just move this box aside and we can go through each item. So these guys have noodles and sauces. And first, let's look at these noodles. First one we have is a scallop noodle. Here's an authentic Penang Assam laksa. That sounds really good. Here's a Singapore laksa. And while we're doing this, why don't we open one up and have a look and see what we get inside one of these. Here is, oh wow, their noodles come in their own pouch. You can kind of maybe see them through there, but has their own individual noodle pouch. And then we've got a rather large paste sachet. So I'm guessing they all kind of go along the same lines on this. So, wow, cool. Moving along with the rest of the varieties, we have a Penang prawn mee, awesome. A chili crab, very cool. Oh, and an interesting one, a Thai laksa. That sounds pretty unique. Cool. I'm very much looking forward to these. These look really neat. Next, we've got a little set of recipe cards that are kind of tied together. This is pretty cool. Very nice. And then a big pamphlet with information about the company and what they do. Wow, these guys are pretty big, it looks like. It's a lot of different sauces and stuff. So cool, thank you. So here's a large sachet, and this is Assam pedas sauce. Assam is going to be sour and pedas is spicy. So this is a sour spicy sauce. Biryani sauce. I've never had biryani. Interesting. I'll have to give that a try. Well, this I've had. Hainanese chicken rice fragrant sauce. I've had Hainanese chicken rice. Sambal sauce, which means this is going to be pretty spicy, I'm guessing. A spicy Hainanese chicken rice sauce, a chili sauce. I've never heard of that. That's cool. A sambal dip sauce. I have absolutely no clue, never even heard of it. Kunyit sauce. So I'll have to look that up and figure out what's going on with this one. That sounds interesting. Oh, sauce for rendang. Okay, now we're talking. And wouldn't you know it, I love nasi lemak as well. That's very cool. Now we've got a super spicy sambal sauce. Oh, lamb curry sauce. Sauce for chili crab. Very cool. I was waiting for this one. You gotta have a tom yum sauce, And last but definitely not least, we have another one of these kunyit sauces, which like I said, I'm gonna have to look that up. This is a vegetarian version. Wow, well, look at that. I couldn't even fit everything on here. That's pretty crazy. Well, thank you very much to Benson over at Way Foods in Malaysia. I totally appreciate it. And looking forward to doing a special Meet the Manufacturer series and checking out all this stuff. So, cool. Well, hey, this has been Hans the Ramen Rater, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day. Have a good one. Bye.